In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Notion. Whether you're looking to practice a new language or simply prefer using Notion in your native tongue, switching the language settings can greatly enhance your experience with this versatile tool. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open Notion on your computer or device. This is your starting point, so make sure you're logged into the account you wish to modify. If you're working on a team account, be sure that you have the necessary permissions to change these settings. Now, look towards the top left of your Notion screen. You'll see your workspace name prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open a drop-down menu, revealing several options related to your workspace settings. From this menu, navigate and click on the Settings option. It's usually listed along with other important features, so you might have to scroll a bit depending on how comprehensive your side menu is. Once you click on Settings, a new page will appear with various customization options that allow you to tweak your workspace according to your preferences. At this point, you're going to want to look for the Preferences section. It's typically found as one of the selectable items under Settings. Click on Preferences and you'll be taken to a page specifically dedicated to how Notion behaves and appears to you. Now, this is where the magic happens. On the Preferences page, locate the Language section. You'll see a small arrow next to the current language your Notion is set to. This arrow is your gateway to a variety of languages that Notion supports. Click on the arrow to open a list of available languages. Take your time browsing this list. Depending on your needs, you might want to switch to languages ranging from English to French, Spanish, or even Japanese. Just to name a few. Once you've found your desired language, simply click on it. Notion will then automatically apply the change, translating the interface to your selected language immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Notion. This change can be especially beneficial if you're working in multilingual teams or if you're trying to maintain proficiency in a new language, all without ever leaving Notion's user-friendly environment. If at any point you want to revert to the previous language or try out another one, just follow these steps again. This flexibility ensures that you can always tailor Notion to fit your evolving needs. Thank you for joining this tutorial today, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our guides or leave a comment below. Enjoy working with Notion in your preferred language.